Dear learners, in this video tutorial series, I am covering the basics and core concepts of Python in detail. So Python is a high-level programming language that is widely used in various domains such as web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, desktop or graphical user interface applications, game development, software development, scientific computing, and much more. This video tutorial series has been carefully curated for absolute beginners and anyone who wants to learn Python from scratch within no time. This self-paced Python basics course for grade 11 has been designed keeping NCERT syllabus in mind, where students will learn Python basics, data types, variables, operators, expressions and statements, type conversions, input and output, types of errors, flow control, conditional statements, functions and iterative statements, strings, data structures like lists, tuples and dictionaries. The course is structured in a way that is easy to follow and understand. The video lessons are presented in a step-by-step manner with plenty of examples and exercises to master the concepts and techniques. By the end of this course, you will have sound knowledge and skills needed to write simple to complex Python programs. I am Sneha Nath and I am an innovative educator and video instructor with more than 2+ years of experience in teaching with 4.9 star ratings from my students and more than 1500 hours of live sessions taught. My mission and vision are to help new learners make aware of Python benefits and transform them into confident Python developers within less time. I aim to provide best quality education to every learner, inspire them to their true potential and reach wider audience. I hope this video series will prove to be helpful to you, and grade 12 video tutorial series are in progress and will be live soon. Thank you.